Imagine being the only woman and the only Filipino in a room full of Harvard medical students in the 1930s. That was Dr. Fidel Mundo. She wasn't just breaking barriers, she was laying the foundation for modern pediatrics in the Philippines. Her story matters because so many Filipino children in her time were dying from preventable diseases. She wanted to change that. Fidel Mundo was born in 1911 in Intramuros, Manila. Losing her sister at a young age inspired her to become a doctor for children. At that time, the Philippines had very few pediatric specialists, and child health care was limited mostly to charity wards and general hospitals. Malnutrition and infectious diseases such as tuberculosis and diphtheria were common. Del Mundo graduated as valedictorian from the University of the Philippines College of Medicine in 1933. She earned a scholarship to Harvard Medical School and became its first female student. She then trained at Boston Children's Hospital and specialized in pediatrics and infectious diseases. She returned to the Philippines during World War II and volunteered to care for children in internment camps and makeshift hospitals, often under dangerous conditions. In 1957, Dr. Del Mundo founded the Children's Medical Center, the first hospital in the Philippines devoted entirely to pediatrics. She designed a low-cost bamboo incubator for rural clinics without electricity. She started training programs for nurses, midwives, and community health workers and established feeding programs to fight malnutrition. These were not just hospital-based interventions. She brought healthcare directly into communities. Her work shaped national immunization drives and nutrition programs. She helped the government develop child health services that reached far beyond Manila. Because of her advocacy, thousands of Filipino children received vaccines, nourishment, and care that saved lives and gave them a chance to grow up healthy. Dr. Fidel Mundo became the first woman named National Scientist of the Philippines. She received more than 100 awards, including the Ramon Magsaysay Award for Public Service. Her life shows how one person's vision can transform a nation's healthcare system. But more important than her awards is the culture of child-focused healthcare she created. Every pediatric ward, immunization campaign, and feeding program we see today carries a trace of her influence. Her courage and persistence shows what one person can do to change a country's future. Her life reminds us that medicine is not only about treating disease, but about building systems that protect the most vulnerable. Dr. Fidel Mundo proved that innovation, compassion, and persistence can transform a nation's healthcare. Her story challenges us to ask, how can we in our own fields create lasting change for others?